Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of activating the Impact Affiliate platform and tracking your commissions easily. This step-by-step tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their affiliate marketing efforts. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for an Impact account. Visit the Impact website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the necessary information, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Step 2. Complete profile information. Once you've signed up, you'll need to fill out your profile. This includes adding your payment information and any relevant tax details. Double-check that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with commission payouts. Step 3. Explore the dashboard. After setting up your profile, log into your Impact account and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is where you will find all the tools you need to manage your affiliates, track your performance, and monitor your commissions. Step 4. Activate your affiliate program. To activate your affiliate program, navigate to the Programs section in the dashboard. Here, you can choose to create a new program or join existing ones. Follow the prompts to set your commission structure and program details. Step 5. Generate affiliate links. Once your program is set up, it's time to generate affiliate links. Go to the Links section and choose the products or services you want to promote. Create unique tracking links for each product, making it easy to monitor performance. Step 6. Share your links. Now that you have your affiliate links, share them across your social media platforms, website, or blog. Ensure that your audience knows how to use these links to make purchases or sign up for services, as this will help you earn commissions. Step 7. Track your commissions. To track your commissions, return to the dashboard and check the Report section. Here, you'll find detailed insights into your sales performance, clicks, and earnings. Use these metrics to refine your strategy and maximize your commission potential. Step 8. Optimize your strategy based on the data you gather. Adjust your marketing strategies. Experiment with different channels and content types to see what resonates most with your audience. Regularly reviewing your performance will help you make informed decisions and increase your earnings. Thank you for joining us on this journey to activate the Impact Affiliate platform and track your commissions easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials.